Welcome to DeepDive. In this video, we'll introduce you to basic search query techniques that can help you more effectively find the information you need. DeepDive uses the Boolean language for its search queries, which is a logic system used extensively in computers and database design. But don't let this scare you. The basics of Boolean are a snap to learn and easy to apply. The two most basic expressions used in the Boolean language are OR and AND. Use OR when you would like to do a broad search. Using OR will return results that contain at least one of the search terms in a given sentence. For example, I could search on promotions to find commentary on actions Gap Store is taking to drive sales. This results in 4 documents and 24 hits. I could broaden my search to include pricing by using the OR expression between the two words to get a broader sense of the impact this may have on sales and margins. You can see now that I've returned 33 hits by including the term pricing. You'll notice from the above that our search for promotions and pricing return not only those words, but also words like promotional and prices that use the root word of our search terms. Including root words can help you gain additional clarity on your search subject. However, there is a way to refine your search to include only the specific words you would like to see. If I want to find an exact match of a single word, I can simply put an equal sign in front of the word. But be aware, this will reduce your returned results and could limit the effectiveness of your search. By including the equal sign in this search, I have excluded the root words promotional and prices, both of which are likely helpful, and reduced my hits from 33 to 10. Now let's look at the AND expression. Using a similar example, I will enter promotional pricing. DeepDive will now require that both words appear in a given sentence to return results. Why is this? It is important to note that the space between promotional and pricing is read as an AND by DeepDive. Let's repeat that. When you enter 2 words into the query box, the space between them is read by DeepDive as an AND thus will require both words to be present in a given sentence to return the results. In our example, you can see that in both documents, the sentences returned included both of the search terms, or again, variations of the root word. This has limited our search to a far greater degree than using the OR expression, resulting in only 2 hits, and is not a best practice to get a general sense of promotional or pricing activity at Gap stores. In this case, we are far better off using the OR expression. One last tip. If we want to search for a specific phrase, such as promotional pricing, simply include the phrase in quotes, and DeepDive will search for that phrase specifically. In this case, we have now limited our results to just 1 hit of promotional pricing. We hope this helps you better understand the difference between OR and AND expressions in query search, as well as how to narrow your search for specific words using the equal sign and for specific phrases by enclosing them in quotes. Enjoy!